In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting lets your spreadsheet call attention to important data automatically by changing colors or styles based on rules you set. It's great for spotting trends, flagging outliers, or keeping track of deadlines at a glance. To begin, click on Format in the top menu. This opens a list of formatting options. From there, click on Conditional Formatting. When you do, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where everything happens, and it updates your sheet in real time as you make changes. Near the top of that panel, you'll see Apply to Range. This tells Google Sheets which cells should respond to your rule. If you see a small grid icon next to it, you can use that to select a range directly from the sheet, or you can type the range manually using standard notation, like A2, A100, or AC. Make sure the range truly covers the part of your data you want to monitor. If nothing seems to change later, this is the first place to double check. Below the range, you can adjust the format rules. This is the heart of conditional formatting. Choose the type of rule that matches your goal, such as formatting cells if they're greater than a number, if text contains specific words, if a date is before today, or even a custom formula for more advanced conditions. After selecting a rule type, enter the value or condition it should look for. Then pick the formatting style you want applied when the condition is true, things like a fill color, text color, bold, or italics. Aim for clear, readable choices so the highlighted cells stand out without making the sheet hard to read. As you tweak the rule and style, watch your sheet for a live preview. If something doesn't light up the way you expect, confirm that your data is in the correct format. For example, numbers stored as text won't match numeric rules. And verify that your apply to range is correct. Once you're done, click on Done. Your rule is now active, and the panel will keep it listed so you can review or refine it later. If changes don't appear right away, revisit the rule type, the value you entered, and the range. Keep your formatting consistent, avoid too many conflicting colors, and use rules to emphasize what matters most. That's it. Simple, visual, and incredibly useful for making